I swear my tools, when I use them off camera, they never work. For this will never go through smoothly like this, but look at it now, cut and style on me on camera, like trying to make it seem like I'm the liar here. Like, really? This how you're gonna be showing out? Anyways. Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. So we're just like going video after video this week, boos. Like, I'm ready for y'all. So today I will be trying, I always want to try the wax stick on like my wigs. Like, it's so satisfying to watch, seeing someone like put the stick down and then pass the hot comb through, like flawless. So I know there's a lot of like trending wax sticks out there, but I went to the hair store and I saw this one by Cantu. It's a flaxseed smoothing hair wax with shea butter, beeswax, honey, and coconut oil. It is a strong hold, non-sticky, and flake-free. Also free from paraffins, parabens. I'm gonna know how to say this word, but I'm gonna spell it out here for you guys. And mineral oil. Boom. So this is what we're gonna be using. So yeah, this is what we're gonna be using. I want to try it out. I have another one that's actually very popular, but I'm just like, everyone's talking about that one. Let's give Cantu a try. Haven't seen that, haven't heard that. Let's do it. So the wig I'm gonna be doing is the old wig that I had. I made like a few months ago. I will be molding down my hair. If you guys don't know, I got a little, you know, something going on over here. So I'm just gonna be taking some gel. Got some gel, whatever's left of it, some Eco Styler gel. And I'm just gonna be using that to gel it down. I'll be back when that's done. You just need a comb and a brush to just brush it down in place, and I'll be back when my cap is on and we'll do all that fun stuff. Oh my god. And it's not necessary, so I'm not gonna be putting I won't be putting a stocking on because I'm not going anywhere. I'm just really filming this for the video. And that's about it. So yeah, so I made this wig a while back. And I cut like, I just cut like, what did I do? I cut like layers to like, you know, give it old school type of R&B, like how it's R&B videos. So it's just like a closure, my bad. And like I said, I'm not going anywhere, so I don't care to, I don't care to wear a cap. So, can already tell this part is like lumpy. So we're gonna see if it works when I, so I'm just gonna, ooh, that's hot. I'm just gonna. All right, so I've never used it. Seems pretty simple. I just have to take off the cap. That's what it looks like. Smells decent, like this, there's no bad smell. I'm just gonna push it up. And hold on, I want to make sure that the hot comb is hot. So I'm just gonna wait for it to get hot. yeah. How are you guys liking these layers though? Like, let me know down below if you guys like the way I cut, well, styled this wig and made this wig. This is why I didn't have to put the stocking underneath, and like look how realistic it looks. I still have some like concealer or foundation underneath it, so that still lasted, which is giving more of a scalp look. And I don't know, like I'm gonna try to focus it, and you guys can tell like over here is a bit lumpier than the other side, so that's the side I'm gonna be like, I'm gonna tackle both sides with the stick obviously, but I want to see the difference, and I want you guys to see the difference too when I add the stick and when I run that hot comb through, you know what I'm saying? Whew. So they go like something like this, something like that, something like that, something like that. And then to take the hot comb, something like these. And then they go like that, and that should like smooth everything. And sometimes they like even like pass it like that, pass it like that. Make it all smooth. I just don't want to get burned. Like, I'm so scared with hot combs, sis. But they pass it like that. Ooh, silky, silky. Yo, I swear my tools, when I use them off camera, they never work. And then when they know they're about to be seen, they're about to be checked and observed and watched and like, you know, judged, that's when they want to work. Like before, this will never go through smoothly like this, but look at it now, cut and style on me on camera, like trying to make it seem like I'm the liar here. Like, really? This how you're gonna be showing out? Anyways. This is what it is looking like after I passed the hot comb and over the wax stick that I laid over the hair. Let me know what you guys think down below. So far it's very silky and shiny, very soft. The hair feels very soft. It doesn't feel sticky, like, you know, back in the days before we like had the knowledge of what to put in the hair and what not to put in the hair. I'm sure some of us, we'd put like a oil, like a liquid oil, put it in, run the straightener, and like it'll just like become like stiff. Like, this is not the case with this. I still have, my hair is still, well, the wig, which is my hair, is still flowing, you know, where it needs to flow. It smells wonderful, looks wonderful, it's flat. We're ready for summer. We're ready to hot gal, because this hot gal is gonna be hot gallon. Period. So yeah, so that's it. So that's it. Nice and sleek. Oh, I was like, what is that? Nice and sleek. And that's all. So that's the first time you're using the Cantu hair wax stick. Love it. Gonna keep using it. I'm gonna try it. If you guys want to see me try any others to just read, like, to compare, let me know down below as well. I got the time to do so for you guys and for myself too. It's pretty fun. I can use the same wig, I can use a different wig. Just let me know. but like I said, I haven't really seen much of the reviews on these ones, so I decided let's bring something a little like fresher in a sense. Oh man, I want to eat my food so bad. It's so good. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. It's always lovely to do these videos for you guys. If you guys loved it, leave me a 2 thumbs up down below. If you didn't, tell people who love you goes on. And as per usual, boo, stay blessed and stay safe. Ciao.